What is going on, guys? Today is the day that we are unveiling the mini trike giveaway bike. Here it is right here. We're gonna take a little bit of time to tell you guys all about it, what you're gonna get. The exact bike that is the giveaway bike is sitting right here, so let's get to it. So we've had a lot of work into this thing. Ben bent up all the parts for the frame. Steve welded the frame for it. We got the hand-selected fractured cherry by Steve. It looks great. We decided to go with these gold powder-coated wheels. Max's tires are looking awesome. They're looking thick on this thing. As always, we have the Pro Tapers. What are these called, Ben? So we got the CRF 50 Pro Tapes on there. We got one single hydraulic disc brake in the back. Of course, we have the Predator Ghost motor, the TGV Racing gas tank with the stickers, full twist throttle for your reens, for your braps, fully wrapped exhaust back here, fully custom made, bent up for this specific bike, light up wheelie bars. So when you're out there freaking ripping at nighttime, people can see you come or leave. This is a 212cc go-kart racing engine. If you guys don't know what a Predator Ghost is, that's the top of the line of the off-the-shelf motors from this manufacturer. We have a high-performance carburetor on here, especially picked out air filter to be able to clear these tires. Really nice, high-quality diamond stitched leather seats. What you guys are getting with your 10 entries, with your piece of merch, how many ever pieces of merch you got, these are valued at right around $4,000 bare bones. So you're getting a heck of a deal if you bought one t-shirt for what, 30 bucks to walk away with something worth $4,000. We're really excited to get this into somebody's hand, somebody that's gonna have a lot of fun with it. We're gonna keep it in here for the rest of the duration of the giveaway. We were thinking about ripping it and getting some good content with it, but we want to make sure that this is the same level quality that somebody would get if we sent one of these out to them that they wanted us to make for them. You're gonna get a brand new, never ripped.
Literally, the tires haven't even been spun.
Oh no, we've been picking this up and putting it there. We literally just lifted it in here. We did fire it up, ran some gas through it. It's got oil in it.
It's got some gingerbread smells
too.
Oh,
it does have gingerbread smells. What you guys are gonna get is something very special that not too many other people out there in the world have right now at this point in time. If you guys are interested and this is something that you'd like to take home and have in your own possession, go over to tgvshop.com, pick up a piece of merch. Every piece of merch is worth 10 entries. The giveaway is gonna end June 15th at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we're gonna be drawing the winner shortly after that. So the way that this is gonna work, we're gonna pick the winner, and then we're gonna announce it through our YouTube channel. And if you get a call from a 724 number, know that it's us, and that you probably won the mini trike. Oh, so yeah.
Don't get spammed or scammed by these people on Instagram.
Yeah. On other news, we've been getting a lot of spam accounts, a lot of fake accounts. Guys, please do not buy into it. Don't send them any money.
Don't give out any info.
Yeah, don't give out your information. Don't get your Instagram locked down. I guess this is just the world and what happens whenever you start to get a little bit of traction on the socials. The video will be dropping at noon on Thursday. We're going to call the person that won at like 10 afternoon, quarter afternoon, depending on how long the video is. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you know whenever we make new videos, especially that one. Go get entered, win this mini trike for the rest of your life or something like that.
Pretty intense.
Yeah, I mean, it was.
Yeah, man, win this thing. Can't even buy them. That's the only way to get it. Win it.
You know, they're just, we got so many frames to build. All right,
Nice.
let's get back to work.
Nice.